Hello, in this video we will see how to create a simple macro. First open your Excel file. Here I have a small text and we will format this text into this format. Normally we will do manually, just bold it, increase the font and change the background, and then let's extract and change the background. Here it is. So if I want to do the same step for the another text, so I need to follow the same step one more time. So instead we can record all these steps into macro and we can utilize it to automate this process. To record a macro, first we need to have a developer tab. So here we have macro shortcuts here. So if you don't see the developer tab, go to file and options and customize ribbon, and you can just check the developer tab here and click on OK. Let us start our first macro. First record the macro, and here we need to give the name to our macro, just simple formatting, and here I can choose the shortcut also. So in this case I'm just leaving it as of now, and then click OK. Here you can see the macro is running. Do not record my time, so it only records the steps that I am clicking on the file. And first I will click here, and then I will click on bold, and then I will increase the font to 18, and then I will change the background color to yellow, and I will increase the width of this column to certain extent, and then I will click on the text, and then I will wrap the text, and I will change the background color of this thing, and then go to the developer tab and stop your macro. That's it. Our first macro has been recorded. Let's test the macro that we have just recorded. Here we can see all your macros. So here I can see the simple formatting. So let's test this macro. Let's take the text and click on anywhere and go to macros and select your macro and run it. It automatically applied the formatting text. Let's test it one more time. Click on this workbook and go to your macros, select the particular macro and run.